Welcome back to this guy's garage. When you're installing a headlight that is bright as this, I think it's important to be a good steward of the oncoming traffic on the road to have them properly aimed and adjusted. So we're going to show you how to do that today on this guy's garage. Coming up. Previously on this guy's garage. Last night we installed a set of Boslla B1 bullets in our 2005 House Mustang project. And sometimes when you throw the instructions away, things can go amiss. And as you can see here, the lights are just kind of scattered because they're not indexed properly. So today we're going to aim these headlights on my Mustang, and it's going to be very simple. So let's get to it. So the headlight's in place. These just pull out very simply. But where things can get out of focus is because these turn 360 degrees. So you want to make sure that you put them in and clock them so that it doesn't interfere with oncoming traffic. So I'm going to take a marker and mark the collar while it's locked in. At the 12 o'clock position. So that's where 12 o'clock is when it's locked in. I'll put a mark here. And we have our ears here. So this way here I can index this bulb insert and see if we can get these headlights lined up closer to where they need to be. I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I inserted it back in. I have the wire at the 12 o'clock position coming out of the bulb. We'll start there. We'll start at 12 o'clock and we'll index them so we can tighten up the pattern. So now we've got to wait till nighttime. All right. Both lights are set at 12 o'clock. Three o'clock position. Passenger side to the 3 o'clock position. Now let's check the 6 o'clock position. Wire pointing straight down. Both sides. Both sides. So I checked all the positions. I think the 6 o'clock position is going to be the best, but we'll come back and check it when it's really dark. Alright, let's have a look at the headlights. I think I got them clocked where I want them. Right away you can see how much more defined the pattern is now that the headlights are indexed together. They're right in front of the car. Alright, I'm going to back up away from the door. Let's see how they look. Pattern is much clearer. I found the 6 o'clock position for both to be the best, with the wire sticking out at the bottom. Brighter, much more defined pattern. There it is, folks. That's how easy it is to adjust the B1 Boslla Bullet headlight. So thanks again for stopping by this guy's garage. If this video helped you out some, you can hit that subscribe button. It'll be right there. You can watch another video right around here somewhere. Until next time, folks. This guy out.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.